Welcome and thank you for joining. In today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at the statusline setup tool, a powerful and flexible solution designed to make customizing your Claude Code status line both intuitive and highly configurable. In this video, we'll walk through a quick example of how to set it up on macOS, displaying the active model, Git branch, current directory, and context status, simple, practical, and effective. Let's briefly cover its core capabilities. First, PS1 import enables you to automatically convert your existing shell prompt from files such as zshrc or bashrc, allowing for a smooth transition without starting from scratch. Second, rich context access gives you real-time insight into session details, including the active model, workspace information, directory state, context window usage, and Git metadata. Third, the tool supports flexible commands, meaning you can use inline bash commands or external scripts to define custom display logic tailored to your needs. Additionally, for those who work extensively with Vim-style editing, Vim mode support allows the status line to reflect whether you are in insert or normal mode. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it and subscribing to the channel for more practical guides and updates. Thanks for watching.